Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Tuesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 6th of August 2024. US Dow Jones fell 2.60%, settling the day at 38,703.27 while Nasdaq ended the session at 16,200.08, falling 3.43%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 34,351.79 and Hang Seng is trading at 16,847.80. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,340, indicating a gap-up start for the Indian market. FII sold 10,073.75 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. First Cry operator raises 1,886 crore rupees via Anchor Book. IPO opens today. ONGC consolidated net profit plummets 43% in Q1. Airtel delays call for 15,000 crore rupees rights issue, cites strong cash reserves. Now talking about global aspects, the ISM Services PMI in the US rose to 51.4 in July from the April 2020 low of 48.8. The S&P Global US Services PMI was revised lower to 55 in July. WTI down 0.79% at $72.94 and the Brent settled down 0.66% at $76.30 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 102.53. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 3.83%, up. Here is a recap of Monday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices experienced a bloodbath, primarily driven by weak global cues as disappointing US job data stoked fears of a potential recession in the US, coupled with concerns of a reverse carry trade in yen following a rate hike by the Bank of Japan. The key index, Sensex, crashed by more than 2,200 points, closing at 78,759.40. While the Nifty was down 2.68%, ending the day at 24,055.60. Outlook for the day, Nifty 50 shows a recent sharp decline, closing at 24,055.60, down by 662.10 points or 2.68%. The price has dropped below the 21 EMA which is at 24,484.56, indicating bearish momentum. The next support level is at 24,000, and if this level breaks, we could move towards 23,600. On the resistance side, 24,350 is the immediate level to watch, and if the index moves above this, we could see a rise towards 24,700. The market structure appears weak, suggesting a sell-on-rise approach. Nifty Bank shows a recent sharp decline, closing at 50,092.10. Down by 1,258.05 points or 2.45%. The chart indicates a breakdown from the recent uptrend, suggesting a potential bearish reversal. The support level is at 51,000, and if this is breached, we could see a decline towards 50,500. On the upside, resistance is at 51,600, and if surpassed, the index could move towards 52,000. Overall, the market sentiment remains weak and the outlook is bearish. Stocks on radar are LIC Housing Finance, Tata Motors, REC, OFSS, Maruti. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.